Hello and welcome back to Lexus of Edmonton, located on 170th Street. Today I'm going to walk you through and have a look at the brand new 2026 Lexus RX 350. This one's in ultra white on Rioja Red with Dark Graphite Aluminum Trim. With Lexus Safety System 3.0, you're getting features like pre-collision system with pedestrian, bicycle, and motorcycle detection, front-to-front oncoming vehicle detection, advanced park, traffic jam assist, and more. Under the hood is a 2.4-liter turbo 4-cylinder engine delivering 275 horsepower paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. Up front is the signature black Lexus grille paired with LED headlamps, 21-inch F-Sport alloy wheels with 6-piston aluminum front brake calipers, rain-sensing wipers, the F-Sport badge, heated auto tilt and side mirrors, keyless entry into the vehicle. The door panel has your power windows, mirrors, and door locks along with digital latch. To the left of the steering wheel, you have your trip and brightness settings, memory seat settings, gas and trunk release, along with a small compartment. The front seats are wrapped in F-Sport New Lux leather and come heated and ventilated with power adjustable and lumbar support. The heated leather-wrapped steering wheel comes with all your intuitive controls and paddle shifters. Above is the digital gauge cluster, along with a full-color heads-up display. You get a touchscreen infotainment center with all of the radio, media, navigation, and a Lexus interface where you can say, "Hey Lexus," and request any command. You also get your rear backup camera, a drive mode select option, which toggles through the gauge cluster, rear power folding seat options available right on the screen. This gives you the luxury to fold them or raise them right from the driver's seat. Below you have dual charging ports, phone storage, hidden compartment with sliding drawer that houses a wireless phone charger and charging ports, dual cup holders that are expandable for longer mugs or cups, your gear shifter, and traction controls. The center console can open from both driver or passenger side. Above is the rearview mirror, sunglasses holder, interior touch lighting, and power controls for the tilt and slide panoramic moonroof. Back passengers have plenty of head and legroom with rear climate vents, heated and ventilated seat options and charging ports, fold-down armrests with storage box and dual cup holders, the power folding seat option for the rear seats in the back. You get full wraparound LED taillights, and with the hands-free kick sensor, the tailgate opens up. Inside, there's plenty of room for any luggage, groceries, or sports equipment. You also get a detachable privacy cover to protect your belongings. On the left side is the power folding seat options to expand the cargo area for larger items. Hidden neatly beneath the floor is your spare tire, jack, and additional storage space. And above on the tailgate is your close and lock buttons. So head on down to Lexus of Edmonton and let's get you behind the wheel.